What is up, guys? It's Pedro here. So, I wanted to talk to you guys about something: how to sell a product online, how to do e commerce with organic traffic, how to sell, for example, on Amazon or on eBay with organic traffic. Now, emphasizing the part on organic traffic, we're not going to do paid traffic here, we're not going to do remnant traffic here, and just organic traffic. So, I'll explain to you basically, okay, you have to develop a system for you to do this. For you to be able to sell online and actually make money successfully, you have to create a system for this. Why? Now, how do you create a system? You have to be consistent for this. Okay, like for example, if you want to list one product one day, like one product each day for, let's say 5 days a week, or you want to do it 7 days a week, you can do that, but it has to be one product one day. You can't skip. You can't do like four products on Monday and then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday I didn't do anything, and then Friday you list three products to cover up for the 3 days that you didn't list. You can't do that. Okay, you have to list one product one day, or two products per day, or three products per day, whichever you prefer, whichever much time you have, or how fast or how big you want to grow. But it has to be consistent. Why? Because the platforms will analyze you as a seller. They will analyze your behavior based on, can he handle it or not? Is he consistent or not? Can we trust him or not? Okay, now let me ask you this, guys. Would you trust someone? Let's say that you were eBay. Okay, now you're in charge of growing eBay and you were the CEO of eBay. Now keep in mind, you're losing traffic, you're losing market share to Amazon, and you have to find a way to actually get bigger and provide bigger value for your customers. And you got seller A that comes to your platform. Okay, let's say there's two sellers for this example. You've got seller A that comes to your platform, and he first starts by putting on sale a $50 product, like his first sale. He doesn't have anything. He's never been on eBay. He first created his eBay account and nothing else. And then you've got seller B, the second seller, that he's been on eBay the past 4 years. He's gotten over 1,000 reviews. He's done over $100,000 in transactions. And which one of them are you gonna trust? Okay, which one of them? You're gonna trust obviously the second guy, or I hope that's the answer. Obviously the second guy. Why? Because for the first seller, first of all, he's not been there. The second seller, okay, let the second seller, if he sold over $100,000 in products, let's say a year, he's probably consistent about it. He's probably got a business about it. So he has sales every day. He's pumping. He's just like grinding at the business every day. He's got stuff going on in the business every day, and while seller A does not. So you have to keep that in mind. You have to be consistent. You have to create a system. So the system what I used, and I didn't like, maybe if I would have worked harder hours, I'd be earning more right now. Right now, I'm earning about $10,000 a month, selling on eBay. But well, if you want to, you can use my system. If not, you can like create your own. So I listed two products per day, and I listed them every day from Monday through Friday. And I list them for exactly, I'm not going to tell you this, guys, yet, for exactly a price, a very specific price, exactly certain types of products. And I had like, well, you have to keep in mind products. You have to keep in mind like what type of products. You have to keep in mind what type of prices you're going to sell. I already talk to you guys about prices. You have to keep in mind also what keywords you're gonna use, how you're gonna do the pictures, how are you gonna do, how are you gonna write the description, what type of specific what do you call it, specific keywords you're gonna use, um, that type of stuff. Do you offer refunds? Do you offer returns? Do you offer what's the handling time? What's the shipping time? What's your title? If you're going to sell on eBay, you're gonna want your title first to bring in traffic, and second to demonstrate its uniqueness. Okay, eBay does not want copy and paste sellers. Okay, the worst thing that you can do is copy stuff from Amazon, like copy and paste the description and then put it on eBay. No, don't do that, guys. I mean, your account will get flagged, and eBay knows that you're drop shipping. Now, eBay, okay, I've spoke to eBay about this. eBay doesn't mind that you're drop shipping as long as you're doing it correctly. Okay, because I've gotten a lot of questions of you guys asking me if drop shipping is it's legal, if it's ethical, or any of that sort of questions. And guys, first of all, Amazon drop ships. Okay, Amazon does not own the products it sells. When it first came online, in I don't know, maybe about 20 years ago, Amazon does not own products. Amazon was the first big drop shipper. Okay, Amazon started with books. They didn't own the books. They just sold them online. And if you, by the way, if you go and call Amazon and ask them if they're okay with drop shipping, they will. They are, as long as you can do it correctly. Okay, as long as you can do it correctly. Okay, so keep those two things in mind. And second of all, I wanted to talk to you about something about information. Okay, now what it doesn't matter what technique you're gonna use, what business model you're gonna use, what products you're gonna use, how what prices or whatever you're gonna use to sell online. You have to know specifically what you're going to do and where the information you're getting from. Okay, there's two types of information. Okay, there's precise information, like you can say like AK-47 information, and there's like vague information. Okay, so which one do you want? Okay, now when you're going to sell products online, specifically when you're going to reach over $10,000 a month, you need very specific information. Okay, it's not the techniques that you use; it's the you do certain things in a certain way that will get you to $10,000 a month. Okay, you can get to $1,000 a month very easy. You can do this in your first month. Okay, if you know vaguely how much and what you have to do. But if you want to go to the next level, you want to 10x it, like for example, you want to do $10,000 a month or even higher, you want to do $100,000 a month, you have to know very specifically what you have to do, how you're doing it, how are you going to proceed doing it, how are you going to grow your business, and you have to be the person that knows the most about your market, about your business. Who are your competitors? What prices are you going to list? Are you going to run out of stock or not? How do you avoid running out of stock online? Specifically, well, my business model is I drop ship from Amazon. Sometimes I do Walmart, but mainly I just stick to Amazon and basically. So anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys. That's basically all I wanted to talk to you guys about. See you in the next video.